Make huge profits with time-tested affiliate marketing strategies. Whether you are new to affiliate marketing or not, you will appreciate solid and reliable information about affiliate marketing. There is always something new to learn about this ever-changing industry. In this video you will find multiple tips and information to help you along your way. When joining an affiliate marketing program, make sure the company that makes the product you're promoting is legitimate. One way to tell the legitimacy of a company is by the terms of their return policy and how well they honor that policy. Being connected with a reputable company will boost your credibility, being connected to a shady company will hurt it. When selecting an affiliate marketing program, look for a company that offers a unique product. If you are just one person in a sea of reviews for the same product, you are less likely to have a high number of buyers. Promoting a product that is unlike anything else on the market and is not being promoted by many others will have a higher rate of success. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, search for a company with a high ratio of visitors to sales. If the company lacks a decent conversion rate, the effort that you expend directing people to their site will be squandered. Search for companies with a ratio of at least 1%. When choosing which companies to align yourself with in affiliate marketing, choose companies that sell products your visitors are interested in purchasing. You earn more money when users click on or purchase products using your affiliate links, so it makes sense to choose things that are likely to interest your website visitors. Affiliate programs that offer front and back-end offers are worth a second look. Back-end offers can net you money for years to come depending on the life cycle of the product. Affiliates offering back-end money are harder to find, but they are worth the work. Receiving multiple commissions from one customer will keep the money flowing. Your prospective visitors should be able to find your affiliate website easily. Come up with a catchy name people can easily memorize. The name should refer to the products your merchant offers, so your site only attracts prospective customers interested in your merchant's merchandise. Don't use foreign or hard to spell words because they will make it harder to find your site. Take the time to go through all of the advertisements that you choose. Change them out on a regular basis. Think about what your readers might want to learn more about or may enjoy purchasing. This will keep your readers happy and introduce them to new ideas on a consistent basis. In conclusion, there is a lot to learn about affiliate marketing, but don't make the mistake of thinking that you need to know everything before you can take action. That'll never happen. Just master the basics and then discipline to apply the fundamentals to your efforts. Then, keep adding to your store of knowledge. Make the time to try some of the suggestions in this video. Do you want to know how to leverage the power of a sales funnel to generate $100,000 in a month? I have great news for you. Today and today only, you can access 1. A free full course on the secrets of a sale funnel. 2. A free book on how to generate traffic for your offer. 3. Start to use my software for free to create your own affiliate program. Click the link below to start.